Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Tuesday. Well, today is Flosstube Day. It is my 308th Flosstube and it is November 25th, 2025. 2 days! Yep, 2 days from Thanksgiving. And I have my November cup, and today we have Orange Cinnamon Spice by Twinings, if that's how you say it, or Twinings. Yum, because it's kind of chilly out there. I'm not gonna lie. It's in the 30s, gonna be in the 40s. I don't know what today is gonna bring, because, you know, yesterday the sun shone. So, what can I say? Yep, and I got my hoodie on because it is that kind of day. So, well, we had kind of a week. We had 2 reviews and 3 starts. Yeah, amazing. And one of the starts that I did, I got previously, and it was called Autumn Lakes, and I got it from Fan Sales. Got thread everywhere today. I was fighting thread. It was attached to my, I have like those slipper socks that you wear around the house. Yeah, there was 2 pieces on it. It's like, what the heck? So let me show you the picture. And we started, it's an 11 count. We started up here in these mountains because we did this on Saturday. So that's all the further I got with that, because I was on to other things. You'll see that in a minute. So, yeah, I'm not sure if I'll stitch on this some more or not. Gonna be truthful. Don't know if I did. One of the next ones that I really liked is a 14 count, and it came from Diamond Art Decor. I'm so glad that I got it. I could get it out of it. And it's got a horrible picture. I'm surprised I even got this back in the bag. Holy cow. Yeah, it is Her Majesty's Roses. And we started over here on, I believe, that rose right there. Just cause. So, I gotta figure out which way it goes now. It goes like this. So, hang on. So, I did put another, seriously, it's one of those days. Couple different colors in there. One is so close to the other color you can't tell, and this one was a little bit darker. I don't know if that's like 816, but the other one was 498, and the one we actually stitched was 321 red. So just trying to get it all in there. But yeah, I really like stitching on that one. And get it back in its bag because we don't want to get things confused. And the last start was from FG Normal, and it, trying to get everything together. It's that beautiful little squirrel in his little house, and we started right here. Yeah. So I never got a chance to go back. I told you I wanted to start on the squirrel like I did on the rabbit in the library. Yeah, we never got there. So that's all that I got done on that. Yeah, can you find the squirrel? If you can, you know, point it out. I did do a little bit of that. I'll turn it on the back. You can't see it. It's kind of a yellow orange, but that was as far as I got with it because it was like, okay, some days it's just a little too much, so you just gotta move on and do something else. Yep, that's the way I run my life. Because if it gets to be, you can't figure it out. It's like one of those pictures. You remember the pictures with the dots? Yeah, no. And you sit there and you stare at it for, no, I didn't feel like giving myself a migraine. But those are the only 3 starts that I had. I was amazed that we even had 3. Alright, and... Whoops. Well, that's attractive. Never mind, Lora. Hopefully. This came from Biggest Craft. It's my cute little bunny. Trying to get all the glare off of her. Isn't she cute? She's just so precious. So this is what Precious looks like. And do I have... Yeah, I still have to put that bright yellow in. And there's another symbol right there. But I did work a little bit trying to finish her face with, I think it was 3865 maybe. Yeah, it was a white color, and some of it was up in here, so this is a different shade. So, yeah. But I like her. And I think I'm not going to do this, whoa, not going to do this back thing, just because I'm going to make it into a pillow for my granddaughter. So, yeah, this time. I do have the other one that I can work on. It's here somewhere. I'm not real sure where I put it. And this is the one well, second one that I did the most work on. And of course, it's inside out. How special is that? I'm paranoid I'm going to get them lost, so I just put them into the bag really quick. I don't pay attention. Of course, it's the bunny in the library in the little pink pajamas. She's so cute. We're going to call her a her, okay? Just, it is what it is. So, we worked on one shade of, let me just fold that just so it doesn't shine through so much. Ouch. That was a needle. We worked on one shade of that pink on the video, and then I put in the other one, and those are the 2 colors that I said there was like one single strand, maybe a strand and a half would be pushing it left. I was just, wow, really? Because that hasn't happened for a while. So yeah, I just love her, so I'll keep going on there and trying to finish up the pajamas. I don't know if I'll get to it this week. This week's a little full. So, it is what it is. Let me see if I can get it back in its bag. I did write. I wanted to show you that. This one came on this kind of a thread card. So, I wrote. I don't know if that's right. So, I wrote on it what it went to. Just cause. Paranormal. Yeah, paranormal. It sets in. Paranoia. God, if I could just talk. I think I dropped that needle. We'll look for it later. It's all right. Everything's fine. Holy crap. All right. I don't have the book out, but this is Kitzilla, and it has 900 threads, of course. So I worked on this, oh, was it Sunday? Maybe. More threads. Seriously? Okay, just fall on the floor, be that way. So Saturday and Sunday, I worked on this, trying to get the 2 shades of brown in and where that, see where the ladies are. I tried to get that porch done, all this coming across, a little bit on the bottom, so that's 3371, and I'm not sure what the other color is, but there's like the dark brown 3371, and then there's one, it's like a step up. So yeah, it's coming along, guys. It is coming along, and I filled in some of that, it's right here, up and down stuff, because it went in there. So yep, and it, yeah, I'm getting excited about this. What can I say? Sorry, I had to pick up that thread. It was ugly. It was everywhere. So yeah, I'm kind of liking this. I like building the framework so you can start filling it in, but it's confettied, but it's not like every third one is confettied. There's just a lot of colors to make up the you know, the different levels of of color. I can't think. Gone. Brain. More coffee. This is herbal tea, by the way, so it has no caffeine in it, so I have no excuses. Hang on. Alright, and last but not least is the hairpin ladies. And of course there's blue thread. Excuse me. So, I spent my time working in that blue, filling all that in from there that way on that blue. I did finish out that red, and then we have that god-awful orange, so I hope it's all going to blend in. But I didn't work anywhere on the bottom part of that, so yeah. So it will be its turn, whoops, this week to work on this. I kind of alternate the weeks. You know, if I get to it, I get to it. I mean, as far as doing them both. But, yeah. And that way, they all get some time. But that, guys, is everything that I worked on. It wasn't a whole bunch. I mean, some of them I just touched on the video, and others, you know, like the bunny and the roses and the hairpin ladies in Watertown, I put a little more time in. Other than that, it just didn't feel like I did a lot of stitching. So, yeah. Hope everybody has a great Thanksgiving this week. I don't know yet if I will have a video, if I can get it like ahead of time done for Thanksgiving, but I'm not going to be working on that day other than putting Thanksgiving dinner together. But so, yeah. If you get a video, you get a video. If you don't, well, I'm sorry. So, we will see. Alright, guys. Thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.